30 days ago, I had 0 clients and 0 revenue. Today, I'm pulling in over $10,000 per month with an AI automation agency built entirely using GPT-5's new reasoning model. And in the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, the specific automations I built, and the 3 client acquisition strategies that generated $10,847 in monthly recurring revenue. Let's dive in. The GPT-5 reasoning advantage. Here's what changed everything. GPT-5's reasoning model doesn't just generate responses. It actually thinks through problems step by step. While everyone else is still using basic chatbots, I realized this could handle complex business logic that previously required expensive custom development. I tested it with a simple e-commerce workflow. Customer inquiry comes in, GPT-5 analyzes the request, checks inventory, processes the order, and updates the CRM. What used to take a developer weeks to build, I had running in 4 hours. That's when I knew I had something special. Point 1. The service stack that scales. I focused on 3 high-demand automations that businesses desperately need. First, lead qualification and nurturing sequences. I built a system that captures leads, asks qualifying questions, scores them using GPT-5's reasoning, and automatically books high-intent prospects on calendars. My first client, a real estate agency, went from manually calling 200 leads per week to having 90% of that handled automatically. They're paying me $1,500 monthly for this. Second, customer support automation. Not basic chatbots. Intelligent support that can access databases, process refunds, and escalate complex issues appropriately. A SaaS company hired me after I showed them a demo that reduced their support tickets by 60%. That contract? $2,800 per month. Third, content and social media automation. GPT-5 can analyze brand voice, create content calendars, and even respond to comments contextually. I have 3 marketing agencies paying between $1,200 to $2,000 monthly for this service alone. The key insight: don't sell AI tools, sell business outcomes. Nobody cares about GPT-5. They care about saving 20 hours per week and increasing revenue by 30%. Point 2. The client acquisition system. Here's where most people fail. They build cool tech but can't sell it. I used a 3-pronged approach that generated consistent leads. Strategy 1. Cold outreach with proof of concept. Instead of sending generic emails, I'd spend 30 minutes building a basic automation for each prospect. I'd screen record it working with their actual data, then send that as my pitch. My open rate was 67% and response rate was 23%, way higher than any template email. I targeted specific niches where automation has obvious ROI: real estate, e-commerce, and digital agencies. I'd find pain points in Facebook groups and LinkedIn, then create solutions before reaching out. Strategy 2. Content demonstration. I documented everything on LinkedIn and Twitter, posted screen recordings of automations working, shared revenue screenshots, and broke down technical processes. This generated about 40% of my inbound leads. One post showing a lead scoring automation got 50,000 views and directly led to 3 client conversations worth $4,200 in monthly contracts. Strategy 3. Partnership leverage. I partnered with web developers and marketing consultants who had existing client relationships but no automation expertise. Revenue split is 60-40 in my favor, and they handle client management. This channel alone brought in $3,800 monthly recurring revenue. Point 3. The operations that scale. The biggest mistake I see people make is trying to custom build everything. Instead, I created modular components that I could mix and match for different clients. I built 5 core automation templates: lead capture and qualification, customer onboarding sequences, support ticket routing, content generation workflows, and sales pipeline management. Each template uses